Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Log of 2 base 10 is equal to A and log of 3 base 10 is equal to B. So we would have to match the column. Okay, so we'll be going to start over here with column 1 part D. Part D of column 1 is what given to you. First of all, log of 2 base 10 is equal to A is given to us and log of 3 base 10 is equal to B given to us. So I'll be writing log of 144 base root 45 is given to me, which can be written by me like log of 12 square divided by log of root 45. Now what would be the base I would have to introduce over here? 10 I am introducing. Now 12 can be written by me as 4 multiplied by 3. So log of 2 square multiplied by 3 and whole square of that and base 10 divided by log of root 45 can be written by me as log of 3 multiplied by root 5 will be and base 10 will be. Then finally we'll be going to proceed further. We'll be going to write like log of 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 base 10 divided by log of 3 base 10 plus 1 by 2 times of log of 5 base 10. Now the numerator thing will be becoming 4 times of log of 2 base 10. Okay guys, I would be making it much simpler for you. You'll be writing log of 2 to the power 4 base 10 plus log of 3 to the power 2 base 10 divided by log of 3 base 10 plus 1 by 2 times of log of 5 base 10. Now you are knowing already that converse of Paul rule 4 times of log of 2 base 10 plus 2 times of log of 3 base 10 whole divided by log of 3 base 10. So log of 3 base 10 also you know, that is B it will be plus 1 by 2 times of log of 5 base 10. So that will be 4A plus 2B divided by, this is B plus 1 by 2 times of log of 5 base 10. So I would have to get the value of log of 5 base 10 over here by making use of two things given to you. Log of 5 base 10 has to be computed by us. So what is given to us? Log of 2 base 10 is equal to A is given to us. I may write like 1 upon log of 10 base 2 is equal to A over here, and that 1 upon A is equal to log of 10 base 2 it will be becoming, or 1 upon A is equal to log of 2 multiplied by 5 base 2 it will be becoming, or 1 upon A is equal to log of 2 base 2 plus log of 5 base 2 it will be becoming. Then 1 over here it will be coming plus log of 5 base 2 will be written by us is equal to 1 upon A. Then 1 upon A minus 1 is equal to log of 5 base 2 will be written by me. Then 1 upon A minus 1 means 1 minus A divided by A is equal to log of 5 base 2 it will be. Now guys, I'll be going to introduce a dummy base 10 over here. So log of 1 minus A. Okay, let's change the log of 1 minus A. 1 minus A divided by A is equal to log of 5 base 10 divided by log of 2 base 10. And log of 2 base 10 we already know that it is equal to B. No, it is equal to A. So we'll be writing 1 minus A divided by A is equal to log of 5 base 10 divided by A. A and A will be getting cancelled. But I want what? Log of 5 base 10 only. So what it is becoming? 1 minus A. So let's substitute the value. So 4A plus 2B divided by B plus 1 by 2 times of 1 minus A it will be. So we'll be writing 4A plus 2B divided by 2B plus 1 minus A, and numerator will be multiplied by 2 over here. That is 8A plus 4B divided by A plus 2B minus 1 will be coming over here. A plus 2B minus 1. So let's see if there is any option matching over here from the column B. 8A plus 4B. Yeah, 8A plus 4B divided by 2B plus 1 minus A. Exactly, my dear students. So we would have to mark option P for part D over here. Now what is the option C given over here? Log 9 base 2 plus log 8 base 3. Log 9 base 2 plus log 8 base 3. So we'll be writing it like log of 3 square base 2 plus log of 2 square 2 cube base 3. that means 2 times the log of 3 base 2 plus 3 times the log of 2 base 3. Now introduce the dummy base 10 over here. So log of 3 base 10 divided by log of 2 base 10 plus 3 times of log of 2 base 10 divided by log of 3 base 10. So 2 base 10 is a we are knowing, 3 base 10 is b we are knowing. So 2a divided by 2b divided by a plus 3a divided by b. So 2b square plus 3a square divided by ab will be the final answer for this question. 2b square plus 3a square divided by ab. So part Q should be marked for part C from column 1. Log 4 base 10 plus twice log 27 base 100. What is the next part given to us? Log of 4 base 100. Let me write it over here. Log of 4 base 100. So guys, this was the part C I have solved over here. That was the part D I had solved over there. Now part B I am solving it over here. Log of 4 base 100 plus 2 times of log of 27 base 100 is given to us. So that will be becoming log of 2 square base 10 square plus 2 times of log of 3 cube base 10 cube, no 10 square. So we'll be writing 2 by 2 times of log of 2 base 10 plus 2 by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 log of 3 base 10. So this will be getting cancelled, this will be getting cancelled. Log 2 base 10 is what a you are knowing, 3 times of b. A plus 3b will be the right answer for this question. Let's see if it is there or not. So a plus 3b means option R should be marked by us. Then what is the first thing given over here? Part A of the question I'll be going to take, that is log of sine square 5 pi by 3 and base is 10 given to us. So sine square 5 pi by 3, my dear students, it means what? Sine 6 pi by 3 minus pi by 3, that means sine 2 pi minus pi by 3, and square of it is done by us and base 10 is given to you. So my dear students, we'll be going to do what? Either I can take 2 in front of it, but better is to do square it here itself. So I'll be getting log of sine 2 pi minus theta is minus sine theta, okay? So minus sine pi by 3 and square of it has to be done by us. So that will be becoming log of sine square pi by 3 base 10. That means what? Log of root 3 by 2 the whole square will be 3 by 4 base 10. That means what? Log of 3 base 10 minus log of 4 base 10. That means what? B minus log of 2 base 10 square of it over here. So b minus 2 times of a it will be. Let's see if there is any option matching over here. B minus 2a. That means option S will be matching for part A over here. So for part A I will be marking option S over here. For part B I will be marking option R over here. For part C I will be marking option Q over here. And for part D I will be marking option P over here. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.